Stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So today I'm just gonna talk to you guys. I felt it in my heart to make a video today, and so yeah, here's the video. At the end of 2015, I sat down with myself and I just drew up a list of goals that I wanted to achieve by the end of 2016. These are just my goals because I believe that 2016 is going to be my year and I'm going to work really hard at it. Now that made me want to make this video because I wanted to encourage all of you to stick to your goals. Try as much as you can to stick to your goals. These are your goals, these are your dreams, and only you have the power to make them happen. You can't rely on anybody to make things happen for you. If something means a great deal to you, work hard at achieving it. Work hard at making it happen. So let's say you want to start a business, right? If you want to start a business of your own, you have to do the necessary research. You have to do the work. You have to, research on tiny things. How to start a business. What is important? What do you need to do in order to get this and that and that and that, yada, yada, yada. It's your goal. It's up to you. You can't sit around and expect things to just magically happen. Now, in the process of you achieving your goal, you're gonna run into a lot of people who might not necessarily understand or appreciate the importance of achieving this goal. You're gonna have people who are gonna pick at each and everything that you do and pinpoint each and every flaw in your decision or in your journey. Don't let those people's negative opinions bring you down. Don't let those people's negative opinions, cause you to turn away from your dream and to just, chuck it away. Don't do that. If it means that much to you, you won't let people bring you down. If anything, let those negative opinions be what pushes you even more to reach those goals. Now, in terms of opinions do matter. Opinions do matter. But they don't necessarily have to dictate your decision. Opinions are important in that, for instance, going back to the starting a business scenario, if you are new to the business world, there are going to be people that are more experienced that are going to try to, chip in and give you pointers, or that are going to see things in your plan that won't necessarily work out, and they might, let you know. Now, if you're the type of person that doesn't really take criticism that well, you might take this as negative criticism. You might take it as,
oh my gosh, this person thinks they're better than me and they're trying to, they're trying to show off and just trying to bring me down so that I don't succeed.
No. That is positive criticism. If someone who is more experienced comes to you and is like, hey, so-and-so, you might want to take another look at this thing and maybe fix this and that and that and that, yada yada yada. Take it into consideration, let it sink in, take what you need from that advice, leave what you don't need, and keep going. Now, if it's just someone that's just out there to be a hater and is just constantly like,
yeah, no, I don't like this, yeah, no, that just doesn't look right,
pretty much pointing out flaws, well, that's not really being constructive. And sometimes it's going to be those opinions, those little nitpickers that are going to, in a way, demoralize you. Don't allow yourself to turn away from your goals. Don't allow yourself to turn away from your ultimate dream and your ultimate goal because someone who is not who's just being a hater is just trying to bring you down. Don't let people's negative opinions about you dictate your life. don't let it affect you. Don't allow yourself to retaliate, and don't give it the time of day. Don't give it your attention. Just smile and wave. If that person is not out to support, is not out to try and help you, and all they want is just to, nitpick at your stuff and just pull you down, you're not about that life. Another thing about goals is it's important to be very aware of the people that you share your goals with. You don't have to go around blabbing to everyone about every single thing that you want to achieve, because not everyone, and I've said this before, not everyone by your side is on your side. Not everyone is going to, be happy that you have all these goals that you want to set. Not everyone is going to support you. Not everyone is going to appreciate those goals. Not everyone wants to see you succeed. There are people out there that, are masters at pretending to be on your side when in fact they really aren't. There are people that are masters at being so fake that you will think that, yeah, this person is my ride or die, this person is the one, and yet they're just not, that they're not for you, and they're really against you. So you need to be very, very careful and be very wise when it comes to sharing your goals. If, for instance, there is a certain goal that you want to achieve that you might need some help with, because obviously you can't really do every single thing by yourself. At some point you're going to need to get some good advice for people. Share that with only the people that you know can help you to achieve that goal. Again, going back to starting a business, if you want to start a business, share that goal with people who actually know what they're talking about. Share that with one or two people only that can actually help you to achieve that goal and start that business and just get the ball rolling. You don't have to, go all over social media or just, stand at the top of a building with a megaphone and be like, hey,
This is my goal for the year.
or whose goals are they? They're yours. You don't have to tell anyone your plans. You don't have to tell anyone, because at the end of the day, it's something that you want to achieve for yourself. Why are you going around telling everyone? Now, I'm not saying that you're wrong to want to tell people. If that's what you're about, do you, boo. That's totally okay. But my personal advice is to just be careful. Just be wise with who you share your details and plans with, because again, and I will forever drill this into your minds, into your heads, not everyone by your side is on your side. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Again, be wise about who you let in on your plans. Don't let people's negative opinions bring you down and cause you to turn away from your goals and dreams and aspirations. Be willing to accept and take positive criticism. If there's anything that someone tells you or any advice that someone tells you that you don't necessarily agree with, take what works for you and leave the rest. Don't be mean about it, don't be nasty about it, don't retaliate. Just stay poised, maintain the stallion in you, stay strong, okay? Just woosah and just let it go. Just smile and wave, smile and wave. And also, if the dream and the goal is really important to you, only you have the power to make it happen. That's gonna be the end of the video. I'm sorry that it was pretty lengthy, but I just wanted to, kind of make a point of this, because it's this time when people have New Year's resolutions that they have set for themselves, and I just wanted to share this video to encourage them and to just to encourage them and to motivate them to just stick to your goal. You got this, you got this, you got this, you got this, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below and let me know how you enjoyed this video. Feel free to reach out to me on my social media. All the links are in the wow, I can't even speak. All the links are in the description box below. Feel free, I would love to hear from you. Feel free to reach out to me whenever about anything. I would love to talk to you. I'd love to just give my advice. I love interacting with you people. So leave a comment below, share the video to encourage other people, and of course for us to encourage more stallions out there and bring them in to our circle. And subscribe if you haven't already, and join this amazing stallion nation. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching. Hey, I go for the goal, and nothing will stop me from reaching my goals. I'm in championship mode. Championship mode. Hey, I go for the goal, and nothing will stop me from reaching my goals. Hey. Hey. I feel so like, yes, I'm in championship mode, y'all. Hashtag.